Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi, my name is Aditi and today we'll be creating this eye makeup look and also this pink neutral makeup look, and mostly everything is pink today. My cheeks are pink. I just put a lot of blush here. My eyes are pink, my lips are pink, my top is pink. Everything is so pinkish today. So we'll be reviewing the Nicka K 9 eyeshadow palette. It is their eyeshadow palette in the range Watermelon Plush. It is a very good eyeshadow palette. They are affordable. They are not that much affordable. You get a variety of options, variety of brands that are selling 9 color eyeshadow palette for around 200 rupees, 179 and so on. But this eyeshadow palette is very special because it comes with blushes and eyeshadows too. As you can see in the back side, they have mentioned which one you can use as blush and which one you can use as eyeshadow. I have tried both, and to know which one was a great thing to do, you can keep on watching. And also they give you shimmer blushes and matte blushes with subtle. This is a very soft pink look because it is what it is. So basically, coming to the price, it is for around rupees 350 to 400, and I really like their palette. I really wanted to get them for very long time, but finally I got it during the hot pink sale. Yes, I got it way back, but I didn't make any video because I don't know. I've been doing that, and also I have uploaded many review videos, not many, two of them actually. One is the Swiss Beauty one and one was the reviewing the Lakme 925 foundation. So if you are interested, kindly go and watch it. At this point of time now, I own 3 9 color eyeshadow palette brand. One is the Swiss Beauty, one is the Mars, and one is the Nicka K 9. And if you really want to know their differences, how they're different from each other and everything, kindly comment down below. I love to make them for. So let's begin. So let's get started. But before we get started, I would like to request you to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon, so whenever I post a video you get notified. So without any further ado, 3, 2, 1, let's begin. So hi you guys, so today we'll be creating another subtle face makeup or eye makeup look using this colorful eyeshadow palette, and also we'll be using this eyeshadow for doing our blush and everything. But I will be using the Rose Good Vibes toner just to prep up. Just spray it over and let it dry on its own. So basically ये बहुत अच्छा hydration provide करता है आपके skin को. So thus I'm using it, and then to the next step I'll be using the Pond's Super Light Gel, which is everyone's favorite now. And yeah, is from their neon collection and I got it from Nykaa. Let me know in the comment section if you want a comparison video between the two. I love to do that too. So today we'll be creating a pink eyeshadow look probably. So let's just jump into the foundation. For foundation I am using the Lakme 925 foundation in the shade, what's the shade, and 314. Also reviewed this even. आजकल मैं बहुत सारे reviews कर रही हूँ, तो ये भी देख लेना अगर आपको चाहिए हो तो. Now by using a Dab Beauty blender, I'll just apply the concealer from Blue Heaven concealer. It is in the shade Toffee 330, I guess. No, 501. Toffee 501. It is also a light coverage concealer. It doesn't give you a full coverage. You can build it, but as I said, I love to keep it light only. So we'll be driving out straight into the eyes now, and then we'll do the rest of the face. First of all, I'll just apply the concealer nicely over my eyelids. And for eyes, I'll do the base first with this color. be using this color just to apply it in the corners. So now it is finally the shimmer time, and I'll be applying this shimmer in this area, and I feel the shimmer is good. I like to use my fingers only while applying shimmers because I feel it's more convenient for me and easy to do. Yes, it is really pigmented. Doing the blush, and I'm very excited for it because I'll be first time using a eyeshadow for a blush. So I'll be using this peachy color or pink color sort of. I'll be using this peachy pink tone, and if you like shimmer blushes, then also you can use this one also, but I really like matte blushes, so I'll be using this one. Let's just apply it. As you can see, it is really pigmented, लेकिन थोड़ा ज़्यादा pinkish है ये. नहीं. It is really pigmented, but ये बहुत ज़्यादा pinkish है. लगता है कि annual day में ज़्यादा blushes लगा देने वाला ऐसा हो जाएगा. So I don't prefer this. Not even blendable for me. So I'll be using my Lakme 925 blush. मैं और लगा दी. Is quite, as you can see the difference, इधर कितना ज़्यादा लग रहा है. Of course मैंने लगा दी तो थोड़ा और लग रहा है, लेकिन ऐसे भी इधर बहुत ज़्यादा था, लेकिन इधर it is nice. It looks so pinky. Kajal, I have used the Blue Heaven Intense Kajal, and it is really nice. For the highlighter, so I am using the Maybelline highlighter, Master Chrome highlighter, which is really famous, and it really does a pretty good job too. I really like to apply it here, just pink eyes, pink top, pink lips, everything is pink in this video. So it's done. So if you have liked anything about the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, also the bell icon. See you next time, my gems. Bye.